Cadbury chocolate, more than just chocolate, it's happiness in every bite. From dairy milk to silk, Cadbury has been loved worldwide. But do you know how it all started? Who made it, why, and the struggles they faced before it became so popular? In 1824, John Cadbury opened a small cocoa and coffee shop in Birmingham, England. He saw that many people drink alcohol, which caused problems. He wanted to offer a healthier choice, a drink to replace alcohol. At first, his cocoa was bitter and not very popular. People didn't like the taste, so it didn't sell much. But John focused on the quality and helping people, laying the foundation of Cadbury. John's brother Benjamin Cadbury joined him. Later, his sons Richard and George Cadbury built the first chocolate factory. In 1905, Dairy Milk was launched, creamy, rich, and finally loved by everyone. During World War I and II, Cadbury faced huge problems. Key ingredients like cocoa, sugar, and milk were hard to get, and many chocolate companies shut down. Even Cadbury almost had to close. During World War II, most British workers joined the army, so there were fewer workers in the factories. To survive, Cadbury started making chocolates for British soldiers, which kept production going and helped maintain the business. Cadbury entered in India in 1948. At that time, chocolate was new for Indians. People loved traditional sweets, not chocolate. Cadbury faced big shortages of milk and cocoa because of supply problems. It was not easy to make chocolate in India, and sales were slow at first. To solve the problem, Cadbury built a big cocoa factory in Kerala. This helped them get fresh milk and cocoa to make quality chocolate. After that, they expanded to other cities in India. Now Cadbury make more chocolate and serve more people. Cadbury needed to position its brand in India. They used different strategies. Number 1. Emotional tags. कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Connecting chocolate with happiness and celebration. Number 2. Festival marketing. Diwali, Rakhi, Valentine's Day, chocolate became part of traditions. Number 3. Premium positioning. Cadbury Silk as a luxury chocolate. Number 4. Fun and kids. Cadbury Gems targeted children with colors and funs. Number 5. Health-friendly drinks. Bournvita promoted as a health drink for kids. Cadbury also ran many TV ads, print ads, and billboards campaign in India to show chocolate as a special treat for every moment. These ads helped them create a strong position in the Indian market. In 2003, Cadbury faced a big crisis in Maharashtra, India. Some dairy milk bars were found with worms, and news spread fast. People stopped buying chocolate, trust fell, and sales dropped drastically. Cadbury acted fast, double-sealed packaging to prevent contamination, opened factory visits for media to show cleanliness, hired Amitabh Bachchan as brand ambassador, emotional ad campaigns to rebuild trust and connect with families. Slowly, people started trusting Cadbury again, and chocolate became a favorite once more. After stabilizing production and marketing in India, Cadbury expanded globally. They now sell in 50 plus countries like the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and more. They adapted recipes and packaging for each country to match local tastes. Cadbury became a trusted global brand loved worldwide. Cadbury became India's number one chocolate brand, trusted by millions and part of every festivals and celebration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories.